but they never start our lineage with Africa, from where we were taken.
Yeah,
from Africa where we were stolen, from Africa where we lost all of our heritage, all of our languages, all of our customs and our beliefs. And we were given everything from Barbie dolls to soap that did not represent us as a people. And we wonder why we're sick people, we're Malays, but we're not sick just physically. Do you agree that we're sick spiritually?
Yeah, we lost all those things. We're starting to adapt with the change.
Yes.
Then we lost the spirit. We lost the spirit of Ubuntu in Africa. You're starting a new life in a very, not a place where it is your home.
No.
So you need to cope, but
yes,
it's very difficult because spiritually, your ancestors, everything, your land, everything. So it makes you can be sick. If you take me from here today and put me somewhere where maybe I have to start to adapt with the temperature, climate, and everything, live food.
Yes.
Yeah, because always I know my staple food. When I go to other place, then it's another staple food. Then I become sick.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I will become sick because I'm not used to that. Yeah.
That's funny you say that. The first day we were here, my whole family, we were so happy. And as an herbalist, I tried to eat very healthy. We were ordering everything that we have. Beautiful place they were at.
Yeah.
But the food was so rich and so strong.
Yeah.
The medicine of just the juice made us sick. We were all sick.
Yeah.
But I had herbs here. I had herbs with me to help us all through what we were going through because it was an adjustment.
Yeah.
3 days straight, we were like every day being sick. Nothing was wrong with the food, but our bodies.
The body is not used to it.
It's not used to it. It's like, this is not what you get.
Yeah.
And this is plain vegetables and things. It's not the same.
Yeah.
You know, we're learning that again. And we don't expect to make all of the journey at our age. We're seniors, but we expect to make the journey to come home, to make a gateway for our children and our grandchildren, whether they'll just be living here part-time or full-time, so they learn to accept the custom and be a help to this beautiful place that we call home, the motherland, the cradle of life for everyone, because it has to begin somewhere.
Yeah.
And that's what we don't need to talk about each other and say, well, that's not right, and they're not doing it right. We don't need to say that there's criminals, everyone all over the world, so let's not brag about there's criminals here. Yeah. I'm not here to say that there's going to be bad people wherever you go. Yeah. Let's face it.
Yeah.
But, but if we start to slowly say, hey, let's take the good parts and let's work with the people that are willing to work with us, we can make that, because America is very sick. America has sickened the minds of all of our people, that we think that things that are wrong, that are totally wrong and against our customs of our ancestors, that we're doing, and that's why we are sick. They are not our customs, but we've adapted all of those customs, and the way that we think, the way that we process, the way that we think that we're going to somehow be accepted because we're doing all of these things, and we continue that we've sold everything, including our souls, to be these people and say it doesn't matter. So someone, a normal person like myself, is going to try to make a difference.
I'm happy that you, again, I would say welcome home.
Thank you. And again, and thank you for being gracious enough to accept us and inviting us to this beautiful home.
Yeah, this home, even us here, as the challenge that we are facing, I know now that the tribe that I grew up proud of, I'm not of that particular tribe.
Right.
So that is how colonialism do to people.
Yeah.
So I'm of the other tribe. So I don't even speak that language.
Right.
I can hear a little bit. So I need to learn. I need to go and find where we were living, who are our relatives and all those things. So it's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, but you know what? Even if it takes you a lifetime, it's your work.
Yeah.
I don't look at it as work. I look at it as this is my life mission. We sometimes in America, everything there is fast. There's fast food, fast cars, fast everything, fast relationships, fast everything. But life wasn't meant to be that way. We are on a journey, but the journey is never just physical.
Yeah.
And so once we embrace the spiritual part of it, because there is a spiritual portion, and we always leave it out. And then we wonder why people are losing their minds mentally.
It's because of they lost their spirit.
They lost that spirit, yes.
Yeah,
they lost it. And then they, instead of saying, we can embrace it, the American culture says, no, your spirit is right. And let's all get around that person and rally around their sickness. And let's make the sickness right. And I know everyone that can hear me knows what I'm referring to. And we're leading our children to destruction. We're leading our children and saying that it's okay instead of saying there must be another solution. Don't give up. I'm not condemning you, I'm not condemning your children, but why not look outside of the box and understand truly who your maker is and who you are? The spiritual side needs to be addressed along with these herbs that come along with it. This journey has to be for everyone, because if we don't start this journey, nothing can be gained. And as you said, I love that you said you don't know your tribe. We don't know our tribe, but see, we don't even know as brothers and sisters and family, because there was no tribes, everyone. Africa was one place and there was one language.
There was one language.
Yes, but they separated. Africa was actually, as my husband told me, one continent that was not even divided by the sea. So here we are trying to say you're from Zimbabwe, you're a Ghanaian, and you are Kenyan. There is no such thing. So in every one of these 54 countries, they're divided.
If you look on the global map, Brazil fits into the continent of Africa.
Yes.
There used to be one continent. And because of millions of years of tectonic plate movements, the country split. But Brazil, actually, if you look at the map, it fits right into Africa.
So actually, the introduction of these borders, because when I am where I call it home today, if I cross the border to the side of Zimbabwe, I still find people speaking the same language I'm speaking, same culture, same tradition. So they know that there are Venda people living in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
They doesn't even know that there are other vendors on the other side. They thought they're only one there.
The only one.
Yeah, but slowly, some of them, they're losing what belongs to them, their language.
Yes.
Yeah, but what I believe is that we were one because some of the words, they are very similar,
Yes.
meaning same thing. So I think this thing of moving from one part to the other,
Yes.
when you lose the language, then you feel like, no, this tribe doesn't belong to us. While it's one thing.
Right.
So I can give you a simple example from my same father. My father was married to 13 wives, more than 100 children.
Right.
So because of some issues within the family, same father children, they are now having the different last name. So what happened in 10 years, in 20 years, in 30 years? One of the child will go and marry
A family
and then
member.
that's where totally we are lost.
Yes.
So if we don't understand that we are one, then that's where we are getting lost of it, because the thing that makes us to feel like we are not one, it is because it started when they introduced the border. So Africa, whether you are where, everywhere in the world, as long as you're African, this is home.
This is home.
We are one thing.
Yes.
If possible, was going to happen, I was going to start a language where we forget about all these languages, we go back to our home. And then we have one language that we can communicate and understand each other. Africa, all of them, when I look at them, I don't see them seeing each other as an enemy. They were made. It's a man-made thing. So
Yes, it is.
at the end, if we forget about everything that we are told and taught, then we will see that we are one thing, we are one family. And we will never have problems, we will understand each other, we will face all the challenge. Life will be simple.
I love everything you said to us, Mr. Nelson Mandela. And I would like to ask Mr. Nelson Mandela one more question and have you guys to get this information. And then we will continue our tour and we will relieve this wonderful gentleman and let him have his day. So I want to step over here to this tree.
Okay, this one.
Yes, and we walked into this and it's an olive tree, not like the ones we have in the States. And I want to explain a little bit about it. Here it is.
Yeah, this one. This is the wild olive. So this one, when I grew up, my mother, she's the one who showed me this tree. She said this tree is very much important, but for you now, I will tell you that the bugs are very much important for you, because you were complaining about pains on your hips. When you're bending down, if you want to come up, you go like an aeroplane, you will go like this. So she said, once you get that bugs, boil them, drink half cup in the morning, half cup in the evening, then you're healed. So I tried it. It's today when When I translate it,
Oh, that's one. Hey everyone, welcome to 2025 from the EH Way. So today we're talking about homeschooling and homesteading. I think they both go together, don't you? There are so many wonderful things that you can do, from curriculum, indoors and outdoors, health, science. It's all here. Our Creator made it for us, and it's available for you and for me. Be sure to stop by our stand store and look at all of the wonderful items that we have, from content to different digital products, and we'll be adding in more and more. So stay tuned and get on board with us for homeschooling and homesteading for 2025. Take care. One more. This is what jam. What letters that? M. Good job. 6:15. That's good.
AM or PM?
6:15. The bird sings. That's AM. Because birds sing in the morning. Okay, next. A squirrel sits on a branch above the family at 12:15. Look at the picture, 12:15.
Castings in our hole, huh?
I'm coming, Cuddy. I'm gonna join you for some water casters in your holes, but
Yeah,
only half of that. I'll put in here, okay?
Give
What in
me
there?
one of these.
Yeah, get you one of those, huh?
Good job. That's
Those
enough.
forks.
All right, now you're gonna take your plant.
Yeah.
Journey's about to take our plant and put it in and take the plant out the pot. Right there.
Good job, Harlow.
Put it in here. Put your hand like this.
Ernie's about to put worm castings in our hole, huh?
Yeah,
Only half of that. I'll put in here, okay?
Give me one of these.
Yeah, get you one of those, huh?
Good job. Okay, that's
Those
enough.
forks.
All right, now you're gonna take your plant.
Yeah.
Journey's about to take our plant and put it in and take the plant out the pot. Right there.
Good job, Harlow.
Empty in your hand. Put your other hand like this. Go for it.
Ernie's about to put.
Hey everyone, we're here today talking about Project 2025 or not. I'm on the side of the not because I'm more concerned about what we need to do in homeschooling. And clicks on. Hey everyone, I would like to start saying this right off the bat. All of this you see in front of me, you know that this requires work. There's a scripture that goes with this, and effort is demanded and a blessing is received. But for me, it's much more than that. We're talking about forming foundations. Foundations, and the foundations that I'm referring to is not just about what you see here, but it's about foundations in homeschooling. You know, hey everyone, we're just getting over the election, and everybody is still going on and on about the election and who won, what candidate. And at this point, Project 2025.
Okay guys, this is Gary, and it is Wednesday morning. We put a batch of limes and lemons into the Harvest Right freeze dryer yesterday, and it's now been running for 39 hours. And we're going to go ahead and start the shutdown procedure so that we can go ahead and open the Harvest Right freeze dryer chamber. So I'm turning off the fans. It's cool in the garage, so the Harvest Right temperature is very, very good. Turning off and opening up the drain valve. You can hear the decompression. That happens every time you have to open the batch of the Harvest Right freeze dryer. You must, it's not a choice, you must turn off, open the valve so that you can open the door on the Harvest Right freeze dryer. From off. And I also will start the defrost procedure because I don't think I need to dry these anymore. It says process complete. And we'll go out and go ahead. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. And weigh these and see how much more liquid was taken out of the limes and lemon batch that we have. So stay tuned. Hey guys, now that we've got the trays taken from the Harvest Right freeze dryer, they're completely dried out. There's no sugary residue or liquid in them. The limes and lemon ran for a total of 39 hours, although the lemon had already been ran 39 hours, but my wife said there was still some residue of sugar. So I ran them along again for an extra, I think it was 12 hours, along with the lemon. So they're all completely dry now. That's why it's so important not to process a batch thoroughly and then put them in a Mylar bag with a moisture bag. It would just completely ruin all the work you put into processing your batches, no matter whether it's meats, vegetables, or herbs. So you got to make sure it's better sometimes to extend the time to make sure they're totally dry and processed than to put them in a Mylar bag and put your moisture package in there. And sometime later you go to open the bag thinking you're going to get some of your food and rehydrate it, and it's got mold in there because you didn't dry it properly. So it's very important, if you suspect, that's the reason why I'm keeping records, so that we'll know about what's the average time things take to dry and how much time went into processing them. So you see here, the first initial weight, it's the initial start weight, is in this column here. Tray number 2 went in at 4 pounds, 12 ounces. Tray number 1 went in at 3 pounds, 15.6 ounces. Tray 3 went in 4 pounds, 13 ounces. And this should be tray number 5 actually. So, and I'll change that. And so then we came back and weighed them after the initial start weight, and you see that they lost some moisture content. So now this is the final weight we're going to be doing, and it is going to be interesting to see how much more liquid came out on the second time we weighed our limes and lemons. So let's get to it. Let's get ready to rumble. Tray number 1 coming out with lime, dried skin, and all totally processed. It came out weighing, number 1 came out weighing 2 pounds, 7.8 ounces. So it lost about 6.5 ounces. So that's, no, I'm sorry. Tray number 2 came out weighing 2 pounds, 7.8 ounces. It further decreased down from yesterday's second weight category of 3 pounds, 7 ounces. So if you subtracted the initial weight of 4 pounds, 12 ounces from 2 pounds, 7.8 ounces, that is evidence about how much liquid remained in our batch. So that's interesting to see about the average amount of total drying time, 39 hours for limes and lemons, how much weight can be lost. Now remember, my wife put different amounts of limes and lemons on these trays, so the weight's going to vary. But the fact that it's losing liquid, has lost liquid, shows the very exciting thing about having a Harvest Right freeze dryer, and that your food will extend up to 25 years. In some cases, maybe a little more, up to 30, depending on, especially herbs, leafy things. Yeah, they'll last longer than 25 years. All right, so that was a winner in tray number 1. No, that's not right. Well, let me tell a story. Tray number 1 went in weighing 3 pounds, 15.6 ounces. The second weight brought it down to 2 pounds, 14.5 ounces. And today's weight brought it back further, 2 pounds, 7.8. So we lost about an average of almost 6.5 pounds. That's where I should have put that number at. So that was my error. It wasn't tray number 2, it was tray number 1. All right, tray number 3. Standing in this corner is tray number 3, and we'll see what it's going to do for the total amount of moisture loss. I can't talk today. All righty, tray number 2, coming in at 2 pounds, 10 ounces. And tray number 2 went in yesterday for the second weight class of 3 pounds, 0.7 ounces. So we lost about a pound of moisture. So let's put that down there. You can't see because 2 pounds, ten ounces. All right, next tray up. Standing in this corner is tray number 2. We did tray number 2. Am I losing it? All right, I'm losing it. So, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to start this all over. Make it look neat.
I hate this thing.
Alrighty, you want some garlic chives?
I found something.
You did? Oh yeah, that keeps the grass, the sod on the ground, sod is grass. Garlic chives right here, guys.
I found something.
Those are not ready yet. Those
No.
we just planted those.
Aw.
These are ready.
These are good.
Garlic chives.
All sides they're healthy.
Very
I
healthy.
found plant I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Found things you know?
I know this one really well.
Okay. This is yeah, it's white sage, right? Okay. You know that? For your hearts. Alright. What does it smell like? See James?
And we can make steak out.
Does it smell real good?
Yeah. And we
How does
can
it smell,
make
Jackson?
it smell like change.
Smell like sage. Okay, who's next? Right next? Zion, you want to take some sage and smell it? So really pull real hard. Just pull a leaf, Zion. You know, oh yeah, I think that's sage. Pull this leaf right here. Pull real hard. Okay, smell it. Tell people what that smells like. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I see your excitement. All right. So that's gonna be it today. Anybody else want to walk through and smell some? What about that Genovese basil over there? Smell that? Take a leaf of that. Smell it.
This one.
Don't matter. Just take a leaf and smell
This
it.
one?
That's lemongrass.
Huh? That's
That
me.
helps you to relax.
Wait. Only this one. This is lemongrass. Let me eat it. Let me eat lemongrass. What it tastes like?
Okay. And you see the Genovese basil over here? So you pull a leaf of that. Pull a leaf.
Can I try
Well,
this?
not here. Too much there.
Can I eat this?
Yes, you can. You can suck on it. Okay. What about the Genovese basil, guys? Touch that leaf. Okay. Pull. All right. Just lick it. And smell the Genovese basil. Pull a leaf off of that. Tell me what that smells like, guys.
This one?
Yep. Oh,
It smells like karate.
smell like karate. Does that smell like a Journey Bell?
Smell like banana.
Vanilla. You like the way it smells? Anybody? Some more? Zion? Let me pull a leaf off there.
This.
Okay.
Just suck it. Oh, lick it.
Building food. It's also herb. What do you think, Zion? It's good? Okay. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you so much for your review of the garden.
Yum.
And,
Just one. Oh, now.
So hopefully when we close the whole area in, so that we'll have vegetables and fruit in the wintertime. Yep, so ants are good. They also help to pollinate. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much.
So we're back with the boys now. Zion and Jackson are going to be making apple peach with a little bit of lemon. And so let's get started. You guys start putting it in, and you can do it together. Okay, start. No. Start adding in here, Jack. Zion, put it in here. Here's your Jackson. Can you reach it?
Oh my god.
Good. You guys gotta fill it all the way up to your Jackson, Zion, to the top, okay?
That's gonna be sour.
No, I think their juice is gonna be good too. We're gonna compare which juices we like.
I look for like the.
No, not the lemon.
Oh, they're all good. You just want to taste all of them. Don't you want to taste all of them?
Then put this the top, and then I forgot the other one, and then the bottom.
Oh, that's just the peach. That's just where it dark. That's okay. That's just where the little part of the peach seed is. Okay, but it's okay. No worries.
Yeah, so blend it in. Then
Okay, I think we're ready to start. Who's turning it on? Okay, well you can do it the next time, Jackson. Turn it to this way. Here we go. And since he turned it on,
Okay.
Jackson, you open it.
The door open a little bit.
And then Zion will do it the next time. Okay?
Close it up.
Close it. Oh, guess what, guys? You can keep adding a little at a time in the top. They'll fit, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Not a lot at once. Make sure we keep it right around there, okay?
Whoa.
Yes.
Turning something. Tan color.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It's like a
Good job.
It looks like a tan color.
yeah, it's
Put
like
some
a
more in there,
potato
Zion.
right. That looks like it's bananas.
Mm-hmm.
Banana. Ketchup.
You guys are making your own juice for your dinner.
Now some juicers.
Yeah.
Juice heads.
Banana. Ketchup. It's Oreo. Banana.
Say, go back.
Banana, banana, banana,
Then banana, banana, caca.
banana, banana,
Look, guys, you're almost filled already. Look, Ryan.
Who's pour it out first?
That's going to design pouring first.
When we cup it.
Is it Cubby
Yeah,
pouring
cup
first?
it. Yeah, cup it
Cubby
first.
do it first? Okay, so now you can do it now.
Open it.
Open it. Like, open it with the... There you
Oh,
go.
there you go. You got it.
Ooh, that looks like a
Good
peach.
job, Cubby.
Okay,
Okay.
let's put some out.
Banana,
We have to
banana.
add more because it's going down.
Wait,
It's
I'm just
going
saying it in
fast.
the camera.
Oh, down.
I'm saying like you in the camera. Banana, 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 caca.
Banana, banana, car.
But you said banana, caca.
Banana, banana, car.
How about let me cut that one for you?
Banana, banana,
You banana, caca.
banana, banana, car.
Get the purse out of my face.
Banana, banana, car. Banana, car. I want to try this. You cut this.
I'm not here.
Come back and come home. Nick, go.
Aggressive.
Come on. Well, sure, let's go for the nose. Both of you, let's go. Eastwood, you know what to do. Come on. Where'd you go, Eastwood? Come on. Come on, that's it, Jackson. Try. Go hard. There we go. Very good, Jackson. Good job, Jackson. That's start. That's start. Let's go. That's start. Get past there. That's it. Go. Let's go. You're going to stay there and just wait for there. You're going to hold on to the street or what? Eastwood, wake up. Go. Go. Come on. Oh, very good. Eastwood, go. There, go get him. Get up, get up, get up. Let's go. Right there.
There you go. Turn it up.
Eastwood, not trying anything, Eastwood. You're not doing anything. What's the matter with you? Come on. Go, Jackson, go. Nice. It's very good. Try it. Good. Very good. Very good, Eastwood. What are you doing? You're not trying anything. That's not the throw I taught you. Come on. Where's your hip go? Go, do it. Go, 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 go. Nice job. Get him out. Very good. Very good, Jackson. There we go. Don't get it. Good job. Let's go. Okay, stop. Good job.
Push up.
How many push-ups do you do? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Two more. Go. X. E. Sun. C. Go. Up. Six. Touch. 2. Hey, man. Man. That's a lot of push-ups. I don't even know how to do it. I need to do way more than we're supposed to. Or need to go to the next level. So, really good push-ups, okay? You did way more than you had to. Okay? Very sweaty with you over there. Nothing there. What should I do? That's a good idea. Turn the heater back on.
Name your kata! Smack!
Door. Yes. Hey.
Bitch!
There you go. Now go straight ahead. Don't touch my head.
Knee!
See, you do this again. Okay. Okay? Your way. Yes. Hey. Confidence. Good job. Okay? Good job. Nice one.
Zion! You know about Marley? You do? You know about this song, Zion? Zion? You do? Oh, all right. Never mind, man. All right. There you go. Ooh, I like that.
Florida football. Little bit? Well, I was a football player, but American football.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You are so beautiful and so handsome. I'm so glad to be here today with you. Yes, believe it or not, I had a school like this in North America, in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I had children just like you. So I'm a teacher also for 35 years. I taught kids, I love children, and I always want to work with your mind and your imagination. So this is my book. It's called The Adventures of Lo on the Go. And these are my grandkids. So they have the books. They have the characters to the book. That's Lo, and that's the other character. His name is Herb. So we're going to meet them in this book, okay? There's two books I have. The one that's from Africa, the logos to Africa, and they're going to be from North America. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so we're going to use our imaginations. Make sure you turn on your minds, because we're going to read from this book. And we're going to think about all the wonderful things that we can really see, okay?
Okay, just for the time, man. Even though it's not according to the timetable light, so you go and sit down and listen to the story for your legs. Hey, don't run. Short ones in front. Don't push. You know what's that? Not short. Hold your legs. Listen carefully.
Okay, so we're going to start at the beginning. This book was dedicated to my grandchildren, Journey. That's Journey right here. Carlo right there. That's Jax. And my oldest two, Skylar and Kingston in the back. Okay? And I want them to know that the name of life all we can feel with the brother, the name of life had many adventures, and they would always keep his hands on you. Yes. So we wanted to be blessed, and we wanted to bless you with the story. So this is the story.
Sí, me lo.
When we see elements of the material. Okay. Yeah, we're going inside the Mandela House. All right. So we are going to do a little tour inside Mandela House. Amasha, hey,